All right, we were at the spillway. I see some bass down here. I want to see if they'll eat this topwater frog. There's a little bluegill down there too. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. They're literally all just right there. Holy crap. Turkey. Right by that. Oh, got one. There we go. Huh, right by that. Ooh, mother. All right. All right, see you, bud. Practically instantly, this crankbait, I remember the name now, it's a money badger. It's stinking money. What can I say? The name is not wrong. Jacquard. Got something. There we go. Oh yeah. Now that is definitely the biggest bass I've caught out of here. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Nope, stop. Stop, bud. Oh yeah. There we go. He's so warm. Let's see, bud. Dude, they freaking... Wherever there's freaking cars, felt nicer. Oh my gosh, eat it right there. Oh my gosh. That's the most insane eat I've ever had. Are you kidding me? Literally right at the surface. Oh my gosh. And you got the hook set of doom too, dude. Alright. Oh. That's one of the most insane eats I've ever had. Number 3. Beautiful. Beautiful bass. Literally ate it right at the surface. Uh-oh. Boom. Oh, that's insane. Alright. That's going to do it for today. I hope I can see you guys maybe tomorrow or maybe, I don't know, whenever I can come back out fishing for day 2. I caught like 3 little bass today. Hopefully I'll see you either here or in a different location. See you guys there. Peace. All right, it is day 2, technically a week later, basically. But we are at a new location, and it looks pretty good. We're gonna see if we can catch something. See you guys, I don't know. See you guys when I catch a fish, I guess. All right, so first we're gonna throw a worm and bobber on. Probably gonna throw half a worm. Finally doing some fishing with some worms. Here we go. We're just gonna take this dude, split him in half like that. Place that right there. Got this. Excuse me, Beckham. Got a little, I don't even know what it's called, like freaking slip bobber or something. Obviously, this isn't the most ideal setup, but this is pretty raging. This water is disgusting. Oh my gosh. Oh shoot. Oh no, dude. Where's my bobber? No, I definitely got one. I definitely got one. Shoot. Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh, where's my bobber? Got one. There we go. What is it? What is it? Oh. Oh no, this feels like... Oh, it's a bass. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh, this thing's feisty. Oh no. Come here. Oh my gosh. Oh, oh, oh yeah, baby. He went down that way. Holy. Let's stinking go. That is definitely the biggest bass I've caught out of a canal before, so canal PB, baby. Let's freaking go. Thank you for biting, dude. Peace. Whew. All right, I'm probably gonna come out here for a day 3 tomorrow. See if I can catch more. I don't want to just end off with, what was it, 4 super small bass. So I'll see you guys probably tomorrow. See you then. All right, we are at spot number 3, day 3. I hope we can catch some more today. I see a bunch of carp surfacing. See you guys when I catch fish. All right, we're gonna be doing some fishing with some worms, probably. Or, crap, what the heck's going on? We're gonna be fishing with some worms, some night crawlers. Like, I'm just gonna keep them in a rod holder, and then I'll be actively fishing with the lure. I don't know what I'm gonna start off first with. I might start off with the frog. I'm probably gonna, I don't know where I'm gonna throw it. I might throw it in a few different places. The worm. What the heck is going on? Oh, something just took it. Something just took it. Where'd my bobber go? My bobber's gone. All right, here we go, here we go. Something's got it, something's got it. Got it. What is it? Oh, it's a bass. There we go. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. That just came out. Look at that. Nice little largemouth bass. On the stinking worm. This one is not bad. See you. Thank you, bud, for biting. Thank you for biting, bud. All right. Oh, 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 oh. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Got him. There we go. Oh, yeah. Come here. Come here, dude. Bass number 2. Chill. Chill. Chill, my guy. Chill, dude. Oh. Chill. Ow. Knock it off. Knock it off. That's number 2. Second one. I don't know. I guess it could be the same one. What? Yeah. Thank you for biting, bud. Oh, he's a jumper. Dude, they are destroying the worm right now. Are you kidding me? Practically instantly. Oh my gosh. Another one. Another one. 3, 2, 1. No. No, did he take my worm? Took most of it. Dude, they are destroying it. Are you kidding me? Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. No! Dang it. Stinking popped off. That was a decent one, too. Thing was a feisty little one. Oh, my bobber. Oh, come on. 3, 2. There we go. Dude, these things are feisty. Oh, yo, hold on. I think this is my, actually, I don't know. There we go. Look at that. That is number 3. Thank you for biting, buddy. Ooh, double backflip. And my worm's still there and still alive. W in the chat. There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. My lure snapped off. There's our, I don't even know, 5th bass. And our bobber is still there. Okay, good. We got to retie on our lure. That's all nasty now. Oh, there goes my bobber. Ready? There we go. Dude. Are you kidding me? Nope, stop. Thank you for biting, dude. All right. We still have our night crawler. I don't know. They're just stacked up in here. Oh, smoked it. Are you kidding me? I hope I got that on video. Oh, my bobber's gone. There we go. Should I grab my net just because? There we go. Anyway. Let's grab this dude. Barely hooked. Oh my gosh. Well, thank you for biting, buddy. Oh my gosh. Oh, instant. There we go. Wait, no, wait. Wait, yeah, I have one. There we go. This one's small, I think. Yep. Oh, this one's unhealthy. Unhealthy. This is the usual sighting for bass in these canals. All of them have been healthy except for this one. Alright, thanks for biting, bud. I might just need to cast it right there and set the hook instantly, right when they eat it. Recast. fast. Yep, there we go. Oh my, this one's good, this one's good. This one's good. Holy crap, this one's good. This one's good, this one's good, this one's good. Stay here. Come on, come on. Holy crap, this thing's good. This thing's good. Oh yeah. Keep tension. Oh, here we go. Come on. Come on, come here. On the crawler. On the crawler. On the crawler, dude. Oh. Holy crap. That's definitely a canal PB. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh. He was just pecking at it. Let's get a weight on this dude. Real fast. I think he's gonna be maybe a pound and a half. Maybe 2 pounds. $1.3 pounds. One more reweigh. 1 pound, 3 ounces. Thank you, bud. That is a canal PB, and he's healthy. Thank you for biting, bud. Oh, are you kidding me? That's insane. Oh my gosh. Let's go. 3 ounces. I don't know how much time it's gonna take, and then I'm gonna be done. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's another good one. It's another good one. Not a good one, but not a bad one. Come here. What is that? Is that a bass? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. This is probably my PB freaking bluegill. Oh my gosh. No, stay right there. No, come in the net. Get in the net. Get in the net. Stop. Stop. Get in the net. I'm gonna wash you off real quick, bud. Oh my goodness. Oh my. What a bluegill. I think that's my PB. This thing's pretty big. That's a Mondo. That's a keg. That's a Big Bertha. Oh, and he spined the frick out of me. Holy crap. I wonder if there's a 10-pounder in here ready to eat this thing. See you, bud. Holy cow. This is the most insane canal fishing I have ever had in my life. I haven't even had that. I mean, it makes sense because I haven't had much freaking canal fishing in my life, but. Let me wipe my hands off. Get it slimy. Good. Yeah. Bass, and I caught one big bluegill. Yeah. I just using night crawlers, and I caught like a bunch of small ones, and I caught one like 1 pounder. Yeah, like a 1.5. Like, it was like 1 pound, 3 ounces.
Just right now.
Like 10, 20 minutes ago.
What do you use? Just a worm color?
Yeah, just a worm from Walmart.
Actually,
Yeah.
do you like it at night?
Yeah, I just came here at the, like, eat from like 6 p.m. to whatever time it is right now.
Damn.
Yeah, and they're
If I
just,
get my fishing stuff back, like, think it was actually fish?
yeah,
Okay. That's
absolutely.
cool.
Yeah.
That's cool.
All right, that's gonna do it for this video. This last spot that we came to was amazing. We caught so many bass. We caught that big bluegill. I'm pretty sure that's my PB, and I caught my biggest bass out of a canal, 1 pound, 3 ounces. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.